Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity. Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Einstein showed an early interest in mathematics and science. He worked as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office and published his first paper on theoretical physics in 1905. This paper introduced two revolutionary concepts, the theory of relativity and the famous equation E=mc². The theory of relativity proposed that time and space are not absolute but are relative to an observer's position and motion. Einstein's equation showed that mass is equivalent to energy, giving birth to nuclear energy research. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on theoretical physics. In addition to his groundbreaking work in physics, Einstein was also known for his activism and humanitarianism. He was a pacifist who spoke out against war and worked towards disarmament. During World War II, he urged President Roosevelt to develop an atomic bomb before Nazi Germany could do so. However, he later regretted this decision due to its devastating impact on human lives during Hiroshima bombings. Einstein also became involved with civil rights movements such as NAACP against segregation laws enforced across several American states during his stay there after fleeing from Nazi Germany during WW2. After leaving Europe due to political tensions during World War II, Einstein settled down at Princeton University, where he continued working until his death on April 18, 1955 at age 76 due to internal bleeding caused by ruptured blood vessels around abdominal area. Today, Albert Einstein is remembered not only for his groundbreaking scientific achievements, but also for being an iconoclast who challenged conventionality throughout his life. Einstein's early life. Einstein was born in Ulm, Germany, to a Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and salesman, while his mother, Pauline Koch Einstein, was a homemaker. As a child, Einstein showed an early interest in mathematics and science. He excelled in these subjects and learned calculus on his own at the age of 12. However, he struggled with the more traditional subjects such as history and languages. Einstein attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics. After graduation, he worked for several years as a patent clerk in Bern, where he had access to scientific literature that helped him develop his theories. The theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein published his paper on the theory of relativity, which challenged Newton's laws of physics that had been accepted for over 200 years. This theory proposed that time and space are not absolute but are relative to an observer's position and motion. It also introduced the concept of time dilation, which means that time appears to move slower when you're moving at high speed relative to someone who is stationary. This theory had major implications on our understanding of gravity as well as our perception of space-time continuum. The equation E=mc². In addition to relativity theory, Einstein also developed another groundbreaking concept. E=mc², energy equals mass times speed squared. This equation showed that mass is equivalent to energy. It provided a theoretical basis for nuclear energy research, which led to development of atomic bombs during WW2 by US government after consulting with Albert Einstein himself. Later life and legacy. After leaving Europe due to political instability during World War II era, with Nazi Germany threatening invasion under Hitler's leadership, along with other factors such as anti-Semitism prevalent across Europe at this time period, Albert settled down at Princeton University, where he continued working until his death from internal bleeding caused by ruptured blood vessels around abdominal area in April 1955 at age 76. Throughout his life, Albert remained active politically, advocating disarmament policies against war efforts along with working towards civil rights movements such as NAACP against segregation laws enforced across multiple American states during his stay there after fleeing Nazi Germany, which eventually led him into becoming vocal critic against nuclear arms race due to its potential devastating impact on human lives. Today, Albert Einstein is remembered not only for his groundbreaking scientific achievements, but also for being an iconoclast who challenged conventionality throughout life while advocating peace movements without compromising values or principles held dear by many people worldwide even today, thus becoming one of the most recognized personalities ever lived till date, whose legacy continues to inspire millions around the world, inspiring younger generations follow footsteps towards making the world a better place to live.